What's up, guys? To do a little coolant flush on this thing. I've been neglecting it. I've been putting it off for about 2 months now, and it's nice outside, so I figured why not hit it up. It's not going to be a complete DIY, but I have noticed there's a lack of videos on doing everything, so I'm gonna try and get as much as I can. I'm just trying to let my GoPro charge and stuff right now, so just bear with me on the poopy quality and everything. It's gonna get better, I promise. But all right, guys, so I got the little under windage tray thing off. Now I'm gonna have to find the block drain bolt for this car, which I'm pretty sure I found it, but the radiator drain is right here. So you unscrew that and let your coolant drain for a while. And I believe this bolt right here, this thing right here, is your block drain, but we shall see. So I'm pretty sure that's your block drain. It's dripping. Oh Lord, I missed. Hold on. I gotta move this because there's not exactly a guided place for it to go to. So there's no hole right there. So I'm gonna unscrew this with my finger. Tad's waiting for his pizza to get here. Oh, look at that. Oh Lord, I dropped the freaking bolt. But yep, there you go. Oh Lord. All right, so we got the car back on the ground, got all the coolant drained out, and now we're about to fill it with some distilled water. And then we're gonna start her up for about 5-ish minutes. And then we're gonna drain it again. All right, guys, she's been running for about 5-6 minutes now. She's up to temp. And temp's holding. Been there for about 2 or 3 minutes now. But look at what's in our little non-spill filter here. All that, right? Freaking disgusting. Looks like a gumbo roux almost.
It's a 16 buff in the dark of the
One thing I just noticed, and I'm glad I caught it. This washer is supposed to go on the block drain bolt. I was wondering why we still had a little bit of coolant seeping through. I thought I might not have had the bolt tight enough, but no, it's just missing a washer. Am I recording? Well, yes, I am. All right, so got the distilled water and cleaner drained out. Got the car back on the ground. I did read on a bunch of the posts on the forums to remove this hose right here on the throttle body. It's supposed to help bleed the air out while you're filling the coolant before you even start it, with the no spill funnel thing there. This is already at the full line. All I gotta do is add coolant here, take off that hose until coolant starts coming out of it, and we should be about done. Check back with y'all when I start bleeding everything.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16
Do tag. So I got the hose off. We have some of those little mini bottles of water in there, so I'm going to use that to start catching the coolant when it comes out. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's pushing air into here, so it's working. Alright guys, I had the car running for about 5-10 minutes now. Temp hasn't moved. All the air bubbles are pretty much gone. I do believe she successfully bled. And the little trick with the throttle body hose for the coolant works very, very good. All the air bubbles are pretty much gone like the first 2-3 minutes of it running and it getting warm, so it works. Yeah, I'm happy with it. It didn't really take too long to do. I'm willing to bet you could probably get it all done in maybe a couple hours if you go straight through. But other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next one. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up, a like, sub, hit the bell, or not, do what you do. Catch y'all later.
What's your coolant bag?
No, but when you're doing a coolant flush on the FD and you're just being lazy and you're just like, this is what happens.
This is it.
It'd be like that. Say hello, Ted.
Buy an FD, kids.